back with a video, and today I'm unboxing these this here Jordan Super.Fly 2017. I think this is a 2017 model or something. Not sure why they put the date in the name. Yeah, so it came in a bigger box, but this somehow got destroyed in the bigger box really bad. It's also teared apart. I don't know why the box is so beat up for some reason. I don't know why. But let's open it up. And there it is. There's the shoe. It looks really nice up close. It feels like suede or some kind of material. It looks really nice. The bottom too, this is crazy. I don't know what to call it. It's kind of circular figures, whatever. So it looks really nice, in my opinion. You got the elephant print over there. The shoelaces. Alright, they don't have anything at the tips. Oh no, they do, never mind. I don't know if you guys could see that. There's a couple, oh, it says 23. It's hard to see, but it's there. Yeah. It's also got this little thing over here. It says like Super.Fly or something. Ooh, what is this? Oh, that's pretty cool. I think you can keep your like shoelaces in through those or something. Let me try this real quick. So this was meant to be like a casual shoe, I think. Not exactly sure, but it seems like it. This looks really silverish. Online it didn't really look like that. Oh, but these shoes actually cost $150. The original price was $190. So yeah, gone for a bit of a sale, $40 off. Yeah, it also got on this side. Pretty nice. I like that. So yeah, that's about it. They got these things to hold up the shape and whatnot. Ooh. There you go. It says there's a logo of Jordan and it says React. It's pretty nice. I like that. Pretty sure the same thing's in this one. This one has a little price tag, but this one doesn't have none. It's missing this. But it's not a big issue. Anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Like if you like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.